Hi friends, Dr. Priyadath Patel from Endo IQ by Balaji Horizon Women's Hospital, your friendly gynecologist. So the common FAQ or a dilemma asked by a patient when they are diagnosed with endometriosis and if they require a surgery, सर endometriosis की सर्जरी जो मेजर सर्जरी है, endometriosis की सर्जरी हमेशा ओपन करनी होती है जो लेप्रोटॉमी बोलते हैं या लेप्रोस्कोपी से भी हो सकती है. So उसका डिस्कशन है ना वो बहुत ट्रिकी है. Endometriosis surgery nowadays since long we are doing only by laparoscopically, and for that the laparoscopy setup is very important. Good quality laparoscopy setup along with good camera will help you to carry out the endometriosis surgery without any major complications. But be mind that endometriosis में जनरली क्या होता है, इंटरनल ऑर्गन सारे इन्वॉल्व होते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, अंदर सब कुछ एक दूसरे के साथ चिपक जाता है. जिस तरह एंडोमेट्रियोसिस आगे बढ़ता है उस तरह जो ये एडिशन फॉर्मेशन की टेंडेंसी है वो भी बढ़ती जाती है और एक तरह की नोड्यूल फॉर्मेशन होते हैं. पर्टिकुलरली जो स्टूल पास करने का भाग होता है जो रेक्टम बोलते हैं, इंटेस्टिन्स बोलते हैं या फिर दोनों साइड के यूरेटर बोलते हैं, पैरामेट्रियल इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है, कभी कभी रेयरली ब्लेडर इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी हो सकता है. एज फार एज पेल्विक एंडोमेट्रियोसिस इज कंसर्न, तो बेसिकली ये जो टिश्यूज होते हैं वो काफी फाइब्रोटिक होते हैं, सॉलिड नोड्यूलर होते हैं. जो रूटीन सर्जरी हम लोग करते हैं उसमें जनरली वी हैव टू डू अ सर्जरी इन बिटवीन द प्लेन्स, बट दिस प्लेन जनरली सर्जरी में फाइंड करना इन एंडोमेट्रियोसिस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. So good endometriosis surgeon will have a good identity as far as the texture of the tissue is concerned, tissue identification is concerned, and that will in depth help them to carry out the surgery very properly, and due to that the chances of complications are also going to be declined. So yes guys, take endometriosis surgery very seriously. It is always going to be a major surgery. ऐसा कंपलसरी कभी भी नहीं है कि वो लेप्रोटॉमी से या पेट पर चीरा रख के करनी होती है. Almost all the surgeries at our center we are carried out by laparoscopy only. We have one of the best possible setup, that is a 3D laparoscopy setup, through which we can get a depth perception 29 magnified view in the 32-inch screen, so that we can do a surgery with proper binocular vision, that is a depth perception vision, that will give you a good quality vision to carry out this surgery by an expert. When the surgery laparoscopy for endometriosis is carried out, generally before the surgery we counsel to the patient that what we are going to do, what are the extent of the disease and how we are going to tackle this extent of the disease, what are the possible complications and what are the rate of the complication and how is the post-operative outcome. That discussion is very necessary for the acceptance of the patient also and for the confidence level of the doctor or an expert endometriosis surgeon also. When we go for a laparoscopy for endometriosis surgery, basically our aim is to clear all bad endometriotic tissue. We want to be radical, but also we want to reduce the complications or avoid the complication as far as patient's routine health is concerned. So whatsoever the bad tissue remain inside, whatsoever you can say is the parametrium or periureteric nodule or a rectal nodule or a colorectal nodule or retrocervical nodule, we'll try to excise it out and send it for the biopsy for the confirmation. And this excision requires a very delicate handling of the tissue. Understanding of the planes is also very important, and identification of a tissue texture and identification of the organs are also very important, because generally the anatomy is always distorted as far as endometriosis is concerned, and that's the basic fundamental tendency of the disease, endometriosis. But rest assured, this endometriosis surgery routinely carried out. We do lots and lots of endometriosis surgery per se. If you say radical also, if you say conservative also, we are having an excellent outcome as far as the pregnancy concern is there, as far as the symptomatology correction, particularly pain is there, and also lot of centers are having a very good outcome. So घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. Endometriosis surgery nowadays it is carried out by an expert hand, but ऐसा मत समझना कि it's a cakewalk. दूसरा, फर्स्ट सर्जरी जितनी अच्छी तरह से होगी उतने चांसेस ऑफ रिकरेंस भी also less, and the other thing is apart from recurrence, the outcome of the symptoms and problems, particularly fertility, is also going to be a very. The third thing you have to keep in mind is endometriosis surgery in majority of the cases is not going to be an emergency case. So you have to plan it out. You have to do a in detail discussion with your consultant when you want to do a endometriosis surgery. If you want to do a conservative endometriosis surgery, generally we carry it out in the first half of the cycle, menstrual cycle. Radical surgery can be done at any period of time. After proper mapping of the disease and what is the extent of the disease, we generally discuss it with the patients and their relatives, particularly husbands, and we discuss at what extent we are going to remove the disease, what are the possible outcomes, and regarding the same, generally we proceed for the laparoscopic surgery for endometriosis. It's always going to be a team approach. We have a surgeon along with us who can help us as far as bowels and endometrial intestines are concerned, involvement of that in endometriosis. If urologist is required to tackle the ureter, we do have urologists in our team. They are always remain on call when we handle these kind of cases. So basically it's a team approach. So normal uterus removal surgery and endometriosis surgery is always going to be a different one. The approach is always going to be a different. So take home message would be कि endometriosis surgery has to be addressed properly by an expert endometriosis surgeon. It has to be taken care very nicely, and it has to be done towards the symptomatology of the patient. If patient don't have a symptom and you do an extensive radical endometriosis surgery, it might have some other impact as far as the complications are concerned, and vice versa also. If patient has a huge problem regarding the fertility, severe pain, bowel involvement, ureter involvement, and you just do a endometrioma excision, then the outcome may be a problematic, and patient likely would be having a very high and earlier recurrence rate, may require a second surgery. So that's all from today from my side. If you have any queries or questions, you can connect us or your healthcare provider. This is for the awareness purpose also only. We will see you soon with the similar videos in the future. Once again, Dr. Priyadat Patel, your friendly gynecologist from Endo IQ by Balaji Horizon Women's Hospital.